everyone and welcome. Now, some of everyone you've heard of the project management tool called Wrike, but you've never used it before. So in this video, I'm going to show you, give you a beginner's guide on how to use it. Beginner friendly guide. So let's start. First of all, what is Wrike? Like I said earlier, Wrike is a powerful project management tool. It can help you streamline your workflow and boost productivity. It's very essential. Now, how do you get started? The first thing to do is create an account by visiting the Wrike website and signing up for a free trial, or you can choose a paid plan. Then you have to customize your workspace by creating folders and subfolders to organize projects, teams, and departments. Once you've signed up and set up your workspace, the next step to take is to create project. Now, if you want to create project, simply click on the plus button and select project. Next, you have to give your project a name, add a description, the date, the start date, and a due date, and assign a theme to the project. Next thing to do is add tags. You can create tags within a project by clicking the plus icon to add tags to it, and then you assign the tags to team members. Don't forget to set due dates and add priority levels. Next, you have to include the details of the tags, including the description, subtags, attachments, and due dates for each tag. Don't forget that. Then the first step after adding tags is collaboration and communication. What does this mean? You have to leave comments on tags to discuss progress, ask questions, or provide feedback. Then you can also use the @mentions. Now, the @mentions mention specific team members in comments to notify them, so they know you are just assigning to them in particular. Next, we have what's called file sharing under collaboration and communication, where you can share relevant documents and files directly within Wrike. Once you're through the collaboration and communication, then don't forget also to track your progress. Now, you can track your progress using some tools like Gantt charts, Kanban boards, dashboards. Now, what do we mean? For Gantt charts, it helps you to visualize project timelines and dependency. For Kanban boards, you can use Kanban boards to track task progress through different stages like to do, in progress, and done. You can also use the dashboards to track progress by creating custom dashboards to monitor key project metrics and progress. The next thing is time tracking. Time, very important. Now, you can manually log time spent on tasks or use the Wrike time tracking feature to automatically record time. You can also generate reports on the time spent, project progress, and resource allocation. So these are the 6 steps you can take, or I say 6 guides you can follow to get started on using Wrike for project management. Now, let me give you some additional tips since you're a beginner. Always start small. Tip 1: start small. Begin by using Wrike for a small project or a specific team to get familiar with the interface and features. Then, the second tip is customize workflow. Make sure you tailor Wrike to your team's specific processes and workflows. Then, the third tip, utilize templates. Use the pre-built templates for common project types to save time. And then, the fourth step, or the fourth tip, is to explore integration. Integrate Wrike with other tools you use, such as Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. Then don't forget to take advantage of training resources, which is the 5th tip. Wrike offers a variety of training resources, including tutorials, webinars, and a help center. By following these steps and exploring Wrike's features, you can effectively, as a beginner, use this powerful tool to manage your projects, improve collaboration, and increase productivity. It's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.